In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Zoho Mail. Whether you've forgotten your password, want to boost your account security, or are simply updating your credentials. Changing your password is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you're up and running with your new password in no time. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Zoho Mail. Once you're on the Zoho Mail homepage, go ahead and sign in with your existing credentials, if necessary. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your main Zoho Mail dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will bring up a small drop-down list of options connected to your account settings. One of these will be My Account, and that's where we're heading next, so give that a click. At this point, you'll be redirected to the account settings page where you can manage everything related to your Zoho account. From here, look for the option labeled Security. This section is crucial as it houses all the security settings you might need, including changing your password. Click on Security to proceed. Within the security settings, you'll see a button or link labeled Change Password. This is what we've been aiming for. Click on Change Password, and it will prompt you to take a few more steps to complete the process. You're now at the stage where you need to verify your identity, so Zoho Mail knows it's truly you making these changes. Start by typing in your current password. Type carefully and then move on to the next field. Now that you've entered your current password, it's time to create a new one. Make sure your new password is strong, ideally including a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter your new password in the designated field, and then you'll be asked to confirm it by typing it once more. This helps ensure there are no typos and that you've remembered it correctly. When everything is filled out correctly, go ahead and click a Change Password. But there's one more step to ensure your account's security. After you submit your password change, keep an eye on your email inbox for an OTP, one-time password confirmation. This is an added security measure by Zoho to confirm that the password change was initiated by you. Ensure to enter the OTP within the specified time to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password in Zoho Mail. Remember to keep your new password safe and consider updating it regularly to maintain security. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.